This incredible organ beats over 100,000 times a day, driven by a flawless internal electrical grid, synchronizing millions of cells in perfect harmony. It is the true rhythm of life.
Your heart makes its own electricity. Right now, without you thinking about it, your heart is creating tiny electrical signals that keep you alive. No batteries, no charging cable, no external power source. Just millions of specialized cells working together in perfect harmony. Every heartbeat begins with a spark, and without that spark, life would stop within seconds. Today, let's discover one of the most incredible secrets hidden inside your body: the living engine.
The heart's rhythm is controlled by a specialized electrical system. The impulse begins at the SA node. It travels to the AV node and down the bundle branches. Purkinje. Let's compare a healthy rhythmic heartbeat and an irregular heartbeat. Organized signals generate a steady beat, while chaotic signals cause an erratic pulse.
Most people think the heart is simply a powerful pump. And while that's true, it's much more than that. Your heart beats about 100,000 times every single day. It pumps nearly 7,500 liters of blood through your body every 24 hours. But here's the real mystery. Who tells the heart when to beat? The heart's natural pacemaker. Deep inside the upper right chamber of your heart lies a tiny group of specialized cells called the Sinoatrial node, or SA node. This is your body's natural pacemaker. Unlike ordinary muscle cells, these cells can generate electrical impulses on their own. No signal from your brain is needed to start each heartbeat. The SA node creates rhythmic electrical impulses that spread across the heart, telling the muscle exactly when to contract. This is why a healthy heart can continue beating even without conscious control. The electrical journey. Watch what happens next. The electrical signal begins in the SA node. It spreads through the upper chambers of the heart, causing them to contract. The signal then briefly pauses at another structure called the atrioventricular node, or AV node. This tiny delay allows the upper chambers to empty blood into the lower chambers. Next, the impulse races through the bundle of the right and left bundle branches, and finally the Purkinje fibers. Within a fraction of a second, billions of heart muscle cells contract in perfect coordination. Every heartbeat is an electrical wave followed by a mechanical contraction. Can we see this electricity? Even though these electrical signals are tiny, they can be detected from outside the body. That's exactly what an electrocardiogram, or ECG, records. Each spike and wave on an ECG represents electrical activity moving through different parts of your heart. Doctors use these patterns to identify irregular rhythms, heart damage, and many other conditions. Every heartbeat leaves behind an electrical signature. Why this system is so important? The timing of these electrical signals must be incredibly precise. If the impulses become too slow, too fast, or uncoordinated, the heart cannot pump blood efficiently. This can lead to abnormal heart rhythms known as arrhythmias. In some cases, artificial pacemakers are implanted to provide regular electrical impulses when the heart's own pacemaker no longer works properly. These devices don't replace the heart. They simply help restore its natural rhythm. So the next time you place your hand over your chest, remember that every heartbeat begins with a tiny electrical impulse generated by your own heart. Long before you move a muscle, long before you take another breath, your heart has already started the next beat. Silently, reliably, every second of your life. Nature has engineered an electrical system so precise that it keeps billions of people alive every single day. And that may be one of biology's greatest masterpieces.